I have this 15-inch diameter circular wood panel, and I'm going to start by applying Wise Owl, Snow Owl, just to the top portion of the board and around the edge using my Klingon S50, and I'm going to apply 2 coats. Once this is dry, I'm going to take some sandpaper and give it a good sanding, and then I'm going to take a straight ruler and I'm going to start marking the center, and I'm using a chalk pencil so the lines are easy to get to sand off. And I'm marking the center, and I'm also marking 1/4 inch from the outside edge and making lines so that it almost looks like a pie with 8 slices. Using some Citron from Wise Owl and an art brush. I'm not looking for perfection, and I'm using these lines as a guide. I'm marking out my slices, making sure I don't go all the way to the center. I'm leaving 1/4 inch or so from the edge. And I'm also going to try and leave a space between each slice. So all my lines and all my markings is a guide of kind of where I need to be with each slice. And then I'm just basically eyeballing my lines. I'm going to continue this process all the way around my board. And even though I'm being pretty repetitive, just for learning purposes, I'm going to show you me going around the entire board. Now I'm going to go around and make sure that I give a second coat to each slice. Once all my slices are full, I am now going to create seeds using Wise Owl, Snow Owl. And again, not looking for any perfection. Now I'm going to take a very small piece of sandpaper and I'm going to go around and I'm going to sand off my chalk lines. They're very faint and that's why you're not seeing them, but they are there. Once all that was removed, I am now taking some more Citron and I'm just going around the edge of my board. Now guys, all paint products can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Now I'm flipping my board over and taking Citron and doing 2 coats on the back. Now because we didn't prime, some of the wood knots may show through when it dries, but that's okay. And then I'm going to take a chip brush and a very small amount of Wise Owl Snow Owl, almost making it dry in a paper towel, and just dry brushing all over my lemon. Now we do have a kit available that you can get at chalkitupfancy.com if you would like to create this for yourself. Now I am applying Wise Owl varnish to my entire project. Once this is dry, I'm going to add these black wrought iron handles to create a tray. So here you have a fun lemon tray for your kitchen. Now once my handles are on, I'm going to flip my tray over and give my final coat of Wise Owl varnish. Guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. For more tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. And again, for paint products, chalkitupfancy.com. And if you're interested in this kit, again, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.